Severe storms through the next 24 hours or so. And today, this morning at least, we've already got some of these thunderstorm watches that are up for the first half of the day. They're mainly focused across Mississippi and Louisiana, but they do include New Orleans and Jackson. We've got some thunderstorm warnings as well, and you can see why. Kind of a robust line of thunderstorms working its way east, still waking up to wet conditions across parts of eastern Texas, Houston included in that. So we'll see some kind of delays, a little bit of a slower go on the roadways and such, and maybe at the airports there for the short term, but it's essentially going to be Texas to the Carolina coast that we see kind of the more flood risk impact, as well as the potential for some of these stronger storms to fire up later today across a couple locations. It's parts of Texas and New Mexico that we'll see, and of course across parts of the Gulf Coast, stretching from Georgia back to Mississippi, where we have that slight risk. The good news is our tornado threat is on the lower end. We could see maybe one or two of those, but unfortunately it's the hail and the wind gusts that have that better chance, specifically the hail across parts of Texas, including Del Rio, San Antonio, and Fort Stockton. So something to watch through the day today into this evening. And then we turn our attention to the system moving a little farther to the east. It means heavy rain stretched from the mid-Atlantic back to the Great Lakes. This is going to be kind of impactful when it comes to road travel, maybe air travel, not as much for the severe weather, but more so the heavy rain that will impact your day-to-day activities. Otherwise, the severe risk will be stretched across the Gulf Coast once again for tomorrow. So kind of a rinse and repeat, not quite as robust for those ingredients to be there for us to see more widespread kind of thunderstorms, but still parts of New Mexico and Texas will be included in that. Hail, again, one of those greatest threats. And on top of all that, we saw kind of the flooding concern over the past weekend, and that kind of takes us into today as well. We've got the risk for flash flooding. It's a slight risk for places like Charleston, Montgomery, Alexandria, and Austin, but this is going to last through the day today as we pick up another couple of inches. By the time we get to Thursday, we'll see the chance to see anywhere from an
So much rain in the east. Wow. Thanks, Angie. Got it. Well, in Philadelphia, at least 2 people